Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Here today, we got some Tesla option, and it's about to expire. So, Tesla can be very volatile. So, what I'm going to do is head this off at the pass, and I'm going to close this for a penny. So, $1.50, big deal, right? It's like, why even bother? Well, because this has happened to me before where Tesla has closed, the trading day's over, and aftermarket it goes down. And then, bam, you get called in your option. So, it's worth an extra couple bucks to close it out. So, we won't have this problem. Next week, we'll take a look at selling another one, another cash covered put in Tesla. I think the stock is going higher in the long term. I wouldn't mind owning it. So, that could work out. So, be sure you guys subscribe and join up in the channel. Get my real-time stock quotes. Thanks for watching.